Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to create amazing double exposures with Snapseed, using simple steps that anyone can follow. This quick guide will help you turn ordinary photos into creative art. So now let's get started. Step 1. Grab your phone and open the Snapseed app. Make sure you are using the latest version, as updates usually fix bugs and improve editing features. Step 2. Inside the app menu, tap on the plus icon. From here, select the main photo you want to work with, because this will be the base image for your double exposure. Step 3. After your photo loads, look at the bottom of the screen for the Tools option. Tap on it to open up the full editing menu where Snapseed stores all its advanced features. Step 4. Scroll down until you see the double exposure option. Tap on it, and this is the feature that allows you to blend two photos together creatively. Step 5. Look at the bottom again and tap on the image icon. Now choose another photo from your gallery that you want to blend with the first one, giving you that amazing double exposure effect. Step 6. Once the second photo appears, use your fingers to adjust its position, size, or angle. If you want more control, tap on the editing menu icon at the bottom. Here you can try blending modes, use opacity controls, or adjust tones at the bottom menu again. Finally, hit the check mark when you're happy with the results. Step 7. To save your creation, tap on the Export button. Choose the Save option, and Snapseed will automatically store your new double exposure in your gallery. That's it. Your photo is ready to share. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more easy mobile editing guides.